went ahead and replaced the pedal assembly in this truck, guys. And if you've seen any of my other videos, I got a lot on the pedal assemblies on these Super Duty. A lot of videos, well, at least a few. But I didn't show you how to recalibrate your pedal. Now that's what this video is going to be on, is, you know, how to pretty well reprogram your pedal. Now I know it works on the newer Fords, like 01 and up, but this is a 95. It's actually got a 96 style wiring harness on it. It's must have been one close to the 96 production year, but still tagged as a 95. You know, kind of like they do. Sometimes you get them years like that. But that being said, what you want to do is to, and it can't hurt trying to recalibrate this. Mine, I plugged it in and it works fine, but we're gonna try it anyway. You put your key in. Now let's go ahead and show you the gauges. Now my gauge view is not the prettiest, but you turn it on, turn your key on to the on position, and you want all your gauges to stabilize, so just give it a few seconds. Now, gradually come down here and mash your pedal down to the 4. Not super fast, just all the way down, and then let up. Now turn your truck off. In the off position, take your key out, give it a few seconds, and start it up, and your truck should be recalibrated. So I was not expecting that. So I guess the recalibration does work on the 95 and 96 models too, because it just worked on this truck. If you watch my previous video, that's a big noticeable difference in the way the truck welds. You know, it's a great improvement. I'm excited. So this video was actually an improvement. Yeah, it worked for mine. If it works for your truck, let me know in the comment section below. Because there ain't much information on resetting your throttle position in the sensor. And by commenting and dropping that like, you also help other people with this problem, with the older trucks. And it shows YouTube, like, hey, this video helped them out. Let's recommend it to this guy. You know, it helps everyone out. So if you enjoyed this video, and you enjoyed my helpful how-to videos, check my channel out. I got tons of videos. Try to be as helpful as I can. You can show your support by smashing that subscribe button if you do. Appreciate it. And see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.